How to remove Google search bar on Android device. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the Google search bar on Android phone. Removing the Google search bar from your Android phone depends on your device and Android version. If you'd like to simply remove the Google search bar without disabling Google, then you just simply need to long press the Google search bar on your home screen. Once you do so, a menu or options will appear. From here, now you will need to select the option Remove or the dustbin icon. And this will remove the search bar widget from your home screen without uninstalling the Google application. This process works well in most of the Android devices. So by following these steps, you should be able to remove Google search bar on Android phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.